In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Copilot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a novice programmer or a seasoned developer, GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered tool that can revolutionize the way you code by providing intelligent code suggestions and helping you write code faster and more efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started on this exciting journey. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and go to GitHub's website. Simply type in github.com in your address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In to proceed. You'll be directed to a login page. Here you'll need to enter your GitHub username or email address and your password. It's important to remember your login details as you'll need them every time you want to use GitHub. Once you have entered your username and password, click Sign In. Upon logging in, you will be taken to your GitHub dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can see your repositories, projects, and other activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll spend a lot of your time managing your code and repositories. Now, look for Copilot in the dashboard. You'll find an option labeled Open Copilot. Click on it to proceed. This opens up the GitHub Copilot within your coding environment. If you're using a compatible code editor, GitHub Copilot will integrate seamlessly to offer code suggestions as you type. Once Copilot is active, you'll see a variety of tools and recommendations that it offers. Click on the Highlight option. This allows Copilot to start analyzing your coding patterns and make suggestions tailored specifically to your needs. From here you can start coding, and you'll notice that GitHub Copilot will suggest code snippets as you type. These suggestions appear in real time and can be incredibly useful in speeding up your coding process. If you're satisfied with a suggestion, simply press Tab to accept and insert it into your code. This not only saves time but also helps reduce errors and improve code quality, and there you have it, you're all set to start using GitHub Copilot. By incorporating Copilot into your workflow, you're harnessing the power of AI to elevate your coding skills and productivity. Remember, the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your style and preferences, so keep experimenting and exploring its capabilities. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide to using GitHub Copilot. I hope you find it as valuable and transformative for your code writing as I have. Happy coding!